Alright, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Cash and HD. Hey, man, as y'all see by the title, we back with another mukbang, whatever y'all want to call it, man. We're doing a cookout mukbang, as you guys see by the title. We're going to really see if this food right here is worth $5. You dig what I'm saying? I paid $5 and some change for this and this big drink right here. Some sweet tea, you dig what I'm saying? Hey, man, if you're new, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to share my videos. And if you enjoy this video, make sure you leave a comment and a like down below, because I want to see y'all comment, see what y'all got to say. Hey, but we're going to get right into it. So, I went to Cookout. Dig what I'm saying? I got me a spicy chicken sandwich. Oh, this hot too. Hold on. Got me a little spicy chicken sandwich. And I got me some. What is hard. I'm not feeling those. Bro. Hey, it feel like a rock, bro. Hush puppies not supposed to feel like this. I mean, it's not supposed to be this hard. Man, if you get you some chicken, some fries, I don't care what it is, you gotta have some honey mustard with it, man. You dig what I'm saying? Best honey mustard. Let's get right into this. I even dipped the hush puppy in here. I about died. I about choked on the hush puppy. Right, damn. I ain't gonna lie. This right here. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This right here, smack. Hey, man. I don't know if a lot of y'all heard of Cookout. It's like a fast, not really, well, yeah, a fast food place. It's pretty good. If you go there, I recommend you get this right here, or some type of sandwich, or a chicken tender tray. Smack. The main question is it really worth $5? I think yes. Cause I'm hungry right now. If you watched my last mukbang, or if you didn't, go watch that after you get done with this. But if you watched my last mukbang, I told you pause the video, go get you some food, then come back. So go ahead. I'm just wait on you. You got it yet? Positive. Cause I know you hungry. I know you want some. I know you want some. I know you want some. I still don't know why these hush puppies is so hard. Hold on. Yeah. I had a public interview dropping for y'all, but I didn't get to finish it because they told us to stop recording in the mall. Every time I try to do a video, man, can never be great. They told us to stop recording, so we tried to keep recording, but they told us to stop again. And they was like, if we didn't stop, well, they told us we had to leave, so I couldn't even drop that. And I'm still waiting on to finish it. So y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button if you're new. Make sure you stay tuned for that public interview. And, excuse me. I got another video in Walmart. It's like a little Walmart prank dropping for y'all. And if y'all want to see more videos with mukbangs or something, what's them little things called? ASMR? Them weird to me, but I'll do it if y'all want to see it. Cookout hit, man. Also, I got a graduation. Well, I'm a senior, so I'm about to graduate. I got a graduation vlog dropping for y'all, too. Y'all stay tuned, man. We about to be lit. I'm going crazy. And y'all also let me know what videos y'all want to see. Y'all let me know down in the comments. Would y'all start a YouTube channel and like actually take it serious? Oh, my last video wasn't a mukbang, really. It was like, well, it was, but it wasn't. I was letting the person in front of me decide what I eat. Two honey mustards down, man. I am looking a little rough right now. I need a little cut, man. About to just take it all off, go bald. Nah, I'm playing. But I do think about trimming it down some because it's getting heavy from the top. It's growing a lot, so gotta get a little fresh fade in. You know what I'm saying? Kind of full, y'all. Hey, $5 ain't bad. Give it a 5-star. Just because it's $5, pretty good. And it's filling me up. I ain't even done yet. So make sure y'all go get y'all some Cookout. I'm going crazy on the fries. I'm not eating these hush puppies, bro. I about died. I don't know why they're so hard, bro. Just listen. Listen. Y'all listen closely. Like, it's so hard. I can't squeeze it. I can't squeeze it because of how hard it is, bro. Look. Oh no, I'm not eating that, bro. Make sure y'all, if y'all get some hush puppies, make sure they fresh. Or they're gonna be like this. I could probably bust the window with that shit. Alright, I'm done. I'm full. Feels pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. Smack. If you know what that means. Alright, y'all. This is the end of the video, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this mukbang. Because I was hungry. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, let's get like 40, 50 likes on this. Then y'all let me know down in the comments. And don't forget, if you're new, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all next time.
I've been ballin' out, boy, it ain't nothing major. I can never switch, I can never be a hater. Tryna hit a lick, you get